and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today I have a product review for you from one of my favorite companies, and that's Gardener Supply Company. And this is the Alden Grow Lamp. I've bought a lot of their products over the years. This one they did give to me for a review, and all of their products have been wonderful, especially their lighting products for indoors. This Alden Grow Lamp, as you can see, it's really sleek, it's sophisticated, and it's doing I've been using it for quite a while now, and it's doing a really good job at giving my plants really nice full spectrum lighting. It's a full spectrum LED grow light bulb that comes in the fixture, and as you can see, the fixture's really pretty too. The one thing I love about this is how pretty and sleek and sophisticated this piece, the fixture is itself. Years ago, when you wanted to get really good indoor lighting fixtures for your house plants, they were ugly. They looked like space age things in terms of they were metal and just not something you would want in your house. And obviously this is a really pretty addition to your house. It looks really nice with the plants as well, and you can see it's lighting up my plants really nicely. It has adjustable arms and arm and joints up all the way up the stem, so you can position it however you like, which is really good because, as I talk about, you want to get, whenever possible, the light above the plant as much as possible. Because think about, as I always say, you are Father or Mother Nature, and out in nature, the sun is beating down on plants, not to the side of plants, right? Depending on the time of day. But for the most part, the sun is covering the top part of the canopy of the plant. So whenever you can do that, that's great. And the nice thing about this piece, this Alden Grow Lamp, is that it's very tall. So, but you could also, as mentioned, you can also move it to lower it downwards, the top part, to fit whatever space. So it is actually 61 inches tall. And it is very lightweight. It was really easy for me to put together, which I really like, because it's always a pain when you get something, when I get something really cool and then I need, usually have one of my sons put it together for me, because otherwise things don't always go together right. But anyway, I could actually do this, which I will tell you means that anyone, just about anyone, except maybe an infant, could put it together as well. And as mentioned, it gives you really nice full spectrum lighting, and it looks really pretty. Gardener Supply Company is owned by the employee owned, which is nice. They're all gardeners, and they all also like things to look really pretty but also work really well. So, and as you can see, this is an antique bronze and brass finish. It does have a same at the bottom of base as well, that is not very large, so you can it's only 11 inches in diameter at the base, so you can easily move it around. And what I like to do too with fixtures like this is possible. I mean, obviously you can put this in a location that it's permanent for it and then move plants to it to get for the plants to get light, or you can move the fixture around your house. So either way works really well. And if you only have one of these, you can move it around, or you can move the plants to it to give your plants, even if you give some of your plants 1 or 2 days of sunlight, I should say full spectrum light, which mimics daylight, mimics sunlight. If you can give them 1 or 2 days a week of that, you can keep them going, especially during the winter months. If you're in your winter months now, which I am here in Southern California, you can get that little bit of extra light that the plants need to get through the shorter days of the winter months. So there you go, the Gardener Supply Alden Grow Lamp. I've been very happy with it. Oh, and in terms of, like I said, in terms of it being pretty easy to move around and maneuver, it is only 12.5 pounds. So it's, as mentioned, it's not something that you're going to need, generally speaking, someone to help you move around as well. I'm putting a link below for you to the Grow Lamp and also their site. And happy growing for you, and as we continue to head into the winter months right now, and even if you're seeing this in the summer months, extra light, especially from a beautiful fixture, is always a wonderful thing. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.